Good morning all of you students. Myself Krupali Mahajan. So today we will learn the grammar. You know very well there are various topics in grammar like change the voice, figure of speech, WH questions. In the same way today we will learn the tenses. You know there are three main types of the tense. First is present tense, second is past tense and third is a future tense. So there are every tense has four subtypes. First is that present tense. Present tense have four subtypes. Past tense is also four subtypes and future tense is also four subtypes. First is that simple present tense. Second is present continuous tense. And it is also called to second name progressive tense and third is also imperfect tense. Third is present perfect tense. Fourth is present perfect continuous tense. There are four subtypes of the present tense. And you know simple present tense is also to call the habitual present tense. Like continuous tense is also called to progressive or imperfect. In the same way, simple present tense is also called to habitual present tense. Second main tense is past. Past tense also four subtypes. First is simple past tense. Second is past continuous tense. It is also called to imperfect or progressive past tense. Third is past perfect tense and fourth is past perfect continuous tense. In the same way, the past tense have also four subtypes. Now we will see third tense. Third tense is future tense. First subtype of future tense, simple future tense. It is also called to habitual future. Second is future continuous tense. It is also called to progressive or imperfect future tense. Third is future perfect tense and fourth is future perfect continuous tense. In the same way, we have seen the three main tense and every tense has four subtypes. Now we will see the definition of present tense, past tense and future tense and the definition of all subtype of the tenses. First is present tense means to show the present time. And first is simple present tense. To express habitual action and daily routine, to tell about universal truth and it is tell about the daily routine of our life in simple present tense. Now second is present continuous tense means progressive or imperfect. To express an action progress at the time of speaking. Third, present perfect tense. To express a recently completed action. Fourth, present perfect continuous tense. To show an action begun at the time in the past and still continuing in a present. So we will see all the four definitions and definition of the present tense. Now we will see the second tense is a past tense, means there is a past events to tell about the past things. First, simple past tense. It is also called to habitual past. To express an action complete in the past. Second, past continuous or imperfect or progressive. To denotes an action going on at the some time in the past. Third, past perfect tense. To show an action completed. Now we will see the last tense, the past perfect continuous tense. An action begins before to certain time and past continued that time. So we will see the second tense is also complete. Now we will see the third tense is a future tense. There is a first type of tense, simple future tense. It is also called to habitual future tense. First definition, to express an action in a future time. Second, future continuous tense. It is also called to progressive or imperfect. an action which will in completed in a continuous tense. And third, future perfect tense, an action will be complete in a future. And last is future perfect continuous tense, an action will going on and that will end in a future. So all the definitions will be completed, and we have also see all the subtype of the tenses. So thank you all of you. I hope you all know very well about the tenses.